Assalamu alaikum. This is Dila Hussain. I'm gonna taking an interview of my student, and here is my student. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Now I will ask you some questions from your rap slogan book. Okay. Let's talk about this study. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay. Which level are you studying?
Actually, I have completed my SSC examination from Ibrahimi School, but now I am doing basic plus IELTS course at English Fantasy.
Okay. Who was your favorite teacher in your school?
In my school life, Habib sir was my favorite teacher in school life.
Okay. What was your group in school?
Actually, my group was science.
Okay. How would you go to school?
Actually, my school and my home are distance is so close. That's why I would to go to school on foot.
Okay. What was your result in SSC?
My result was GPA 4.94 in SSC.
Okay. Where is your college situated?
My college situated at Thompson Bridge in Kumilla.
Okay. Who is your principal?
Halaluddin sir is our principal.
What's your major subject?
Actually, English is my major subject now. I learn English at English Fantasy.
Okay. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is biology.
Okay. What will you do after completing your study?
After completing my study, I'll go abroad for higher studies and making my career, building my career. That's why I learn English, and also my next goal is to get a good result in IELTS exam.
Okay. Thank you. This is the end of the interview. Thank you for joining with us.